sacrifice your firstborn for me.
Honey, don't you love me?
I love you so much, but he said firstborn. Firstborn.
Of course, I can still give birth to another baby. Pikin wey dey my belly never finish. So we can use the first one and I'll still give birth again.
Dark minister, dark minister, I'm a dark minister, dark minister, I'm a dark minister, dark minister.
This is the man I want to marry, so I brought him for you to see.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
the man you want to marry. You want to be choking. You must like Tito.
Thank you very much, sir.
You like Tito. Okay. Now, why do you want to marry her?
Sir, I love her so much. I love her so much. That's why.
Can you sacrifice for her?
Anything, sir. I'm ready to sacrifice anything, sir.
Can you sow? Can you make your first sacrifice to me? Can you sow a seed?
Sir, sowing a seed is not a problem. I'm ready to give out. Just tell me the amount. Whatever amount I'm ready to give out,
Talk
sir.
is cheap. Talk is cheap.
How, sir?
Are you ready to sow a seed?
I'm ready, sir.
You're ready. Good. You want to pay money, right?
Sir, I'm ready to pay.
I wasn't talking about money. I don't need your money. What I need from you is your first fruit, your first seed, your firstborn.
Firstborn?
Yes, if you can sacrifice your firstborn for me, even when you don't have a child yet, all you need to do is make a vow. I know how to redeem it. When it is time to redeem it, I can wait patiently for you to pay the debt.
Honey, don't you love me?
I love you so much, but he said firstborn. Firstborn.
Of course, I can still give birth to another baby. Pikin wey dey my belly never finish. So we can use the first one and I'll still give birth again.
Look,
Yes.
a seed must die before it can germinate. I want to give you the chance to have the children that will bring blessing to you continuously. Not the children you will have that one day one will become a problem to you. I will secure the future of your children if you sacrifice your first child to me when you have a child. I will wait patiently to receive that child. Can you do this or not? I don't think he's ready to marry. I don't think he's ready for marriage. He's weak-hearted. This is not the type for marriage. He's faint-hearted.
Okay, sir. I'm ready, sir.
You're ready?
I'm ready, sir. Because I love her so much.
Okay.
I'm ready, sir.
I'm going to pray for you.
Yes, sir.
So what you do, you pick a bottle there, pick any size you can fill, you go to the restroom, you help yourself. When you rub your bowl and play with it, just imagine like you are doing it with her. Whatever comes out, don't let anything drop. Put everything inside a container, bring it, I will use it to pray for you, I will anoint you with it, and be rest assured that you have succeeded in saving your future. Then you are guaranteed bright future. So that way, we have sealed the agreement to have your first child. Then I will permit you to go sleep with her. You will never fall sick again. You will never go broke. And you will not lack children. And you will have children that will bring you joy. Are you ready? If you are ready, take the step of faith.
I'm ready, sir.
Make the sacrifice. Go pick the bottle.
Go and do it.
You can go. Take a step of faith. Move. It's just firstborn. Other children will come.
Dark minister, dark minister, I'm a dark
Come closer. You know I really miss you. You know, of all the girls, you're the one I enjoy the most. You know the way your bobby just stands, the way your nippy used to be so strong. Are you meeting me tonight? Let's do night. It's been a while. The other two girls I knocked, I didn't really enjoy them, but I had no choice.
Okay, no problem.
You know you like horse riding. Bad girl. And people will think you are holy. Okay. When he gets back, I will credit your account.
Thank you,
So
sir.
this is one soul that we are getting. I need more souls from you.
Yes, sir.
So immediately we get it. Whether he sleeps with you or not, he's gone for life. And he can never solve this problem. But I need more men, so look out for more men who are interested in marrying you. Let them come. Come and give me a peck. Come in. I heard that you run women's group on social media.
Yes, on WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
How many women do you have in your group?
I have more than 2,000 women.
More than 2,000 women?
I'm the admin, sir.
You are the admin?
Yes, sir.
And they listen to you?
Yes.
Okay, I have a proposal for you. What if we go into women trafficking business?
Dark minister, I'm a dark minister. 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 Dark minister, fear the dark minister.